What's going on, everyone? My name is Roze Traore, and I'm a chef, and we're here to talk about more French cheeses. To kick it off, we have the Époisses. It's a wash rind with local brandy from Burgundy. We have Camembert. It's buttery. You get some mushroom notes in there, so it's earthy as well. You have the Mimolette. It looks like a cannonball. You could pick up some butterscotch in there, some fruit notes, and Bleu du Vin. It's spicy, it's pungent, and they're all from cow's milk. I got some red onion marmalade that I'm gonna show you, and it's going to go perfectly with these French cheeses. To make the marmalade, you could use red onions or yellow onions, and we're going to julienne them, sweat them. As the red wine is reducing in there, it's going to get to that jammy consistency that we're going for. My pan is preheated. We're gonna drizzle some oil at the bottom of that. Adding those onions, we're gonna let it sweat. We're gonna season this with some salt. We're gonna sweat this for about 5 minutes, then proceed by adding in a little bit of sugar, some bay leaf, honey, a little bit of red wine vinegar, and my favorite, some red wine. All right, so now we're just gonna let this simmer nice and slow, and I'm gonna cover it with a cartouche. Let's see where this is at. And this is the consistency that you're going for. Nice and red. Make sure to remove your bay leaf. Time to plate. All right, so you can let this cool room temp or pop it in your fridge and let it get chill. I'm gonna garnish it with some pickled mustard seeds. Next up, we're gonna build our cheese board. We finished the cheese board, now let's create that perfect bite. It's already super creamy. The red onion marmalade has the sweetness, of course, but what I love about the Camembert is it's rich, it's buttery, it has these mushroom notes to it. It's the perfect combination. Give it a go, add your own twist, but most importantly, enjoy these amazing French cheeses.